Yesterday's A-grade match saw Eagles registering 2 runs through JC number 38, John Takyun, after a fair hit. Eagles quickly reconvened after 2 down. Aldit was on 43, who brought his brothers home with another 3 runs, leading with 5. Cats had a batter to play around with, sending Eagles keeper Collis Bagal back to the dugout when his low bunt was caught by the third baseman. But for Bagal, it was a great polish with his pitching tactics. With strong defense from infielders, this prevented Cats from scoring. Young Gabriel Maloney was the lone batter who slugged the ball to the outfield and was safe on second base. Despite Maloney being on the third base this time, Bagal's focus was on the batter and he prevented them from scoring. However, a top 2 inning, Cats came hard, sending 2 Eagles batters back to the dugout. Outfielders also kept a great outlook on slug balls, especially with Benito Alved's hit. But Eagles kept biting when Thomas Capione's hit was caught. Eagles then tightened the defense with a run-in and run-out. Mishandling by Cats keeper from his pitching works was a base on ball called by the umpire. After a fair hit by Jason 42, so more runs scored. Eagles kept showing no mercy to Cats. But it was not until bottom 4 when Cats broke the 0 score, registering 2 runs. Eagles led through a different time with a scoreline of 8 points to 2. Fabian Haklitz, National EMTV Sports.